The next question is who scored highest marks in AFM? So for this we are using multiple formulas. So first I want to know what is the highest marks in that AFM subject. What is the position of that marks? For that I am using match function. Once you get the position of that highest marks in that particular range, I want to check the corresponding name of that mark. So this is how. So it's a mixture of three formulas. First, check the maximum mark, check the index position or the cell position in that particular range, that will give the match formula will give that answer. Index, in that sixth row, what is the student name? So the moment I work out, you'll come to know how to get this answer. I am breaking, actually you can merge all the three in one formula, but I am breaking it into three formulas. First, find the maximum marks in AFM equal to maximum of AFM. So this is F column. I am selecting this range. You can see 89. So here you can see there are 289 numbers are there. So to avoid the duplication, I'm just changing the dataset value to 88. Okay. So because multiple values, if it is there, this formula will not work. If there's two different students are having same marks, index will not give that value. So only for one student it will work. So maximum value is 89 marks. What is the position of 89 in this range? That will give the match function equal to match. I'm looking for 89 mark, the position of 89 mark in this range. So obviously you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In sixth row in this range, it's having cell containing the value 89. So my answer should be 0. Again, the match type should be exact match. So F5 to F13, comma 0. Answer should be 6. We'll check. Yes, I am getting 89 highest marks. Match again 6, sixth position. Okay, now I got 89 marks is the highest marks in AFM subject. It is located in the sixth row in this particular range. Now index will give me the name of the student. Okay, so who scored highest marks in AFM? So first find the highest marks in AFM, find the position of that highest marks in that range, then use index. So equal to index. Wait, I will just decrease the width of the column cell value so that it is covering in one screen. Okay, so equal to index of array. So that means I'm looking for the student name. So in this range, what is the row number? That is row number is 6. So it will give me the name of the sixth one. So these are all interrelated. So in sixth row in this particular range, it will give me candidate. So you have to be careful. See, in this also I didn't select the heading, table heading. In match function also I didn't use table heading. So in index function also I didn't use table heading. Means the width, the number of cells in that particular range, number of rows should be equal. What I'm telling is, if I select uh, instead of C5 to C13, if I select entire this one, and if I select sixth one, it will give me the answer Bharat, not Canute. So I have to be careful while selecting the rows. That's why it is better to mix all this into one formula to avoid that mismatch of the range. Okay, so but it is a easy way to learn, because it is all slightly confusing since it is a mixture of three formulas: maximum, match and index. Again I will explain this. So first I will find the maximum value, maximum marks in AFM. I will find the position of that marks in that particular range. Then I will find the name in that particular row. match will give me the row number, that is a cell position. So first I will use maximum formula, maximum of AFM. Again you can see I am not selecting the column heading. So F5 to F13. So I got 89. So next one, match function. So in match I am looking for what is the position of 89 in again in the same range. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. In sixth position 89 is situated. So I want to say exact match. So 0. I will hit enter. I got sixth. Yeah, in sixth row that 89 number is located. What is the name of the student who scored 69? That is the actual question. So I'm using index function. In this, since I am looking for student name, I am selecting student name range. So C5 to C13. Again, I am not selecting student name heading, comma. I want to see what is the sixth name in that particular range. So that is Canute. So this is how using these three formulas you can answer this question. So the answer is Canute. Answer is Canute. Who scores less marks in MC? So this is completely opposite to previous questions. First I have to find minimum marks, then I have to minimum marks in MC, then I have to match the means I have to find out the row number of that, then again I am going to use index. So what is the minimum value in that particular range? So minimum of MC column. In MC what is the minimum value? I am getting 36. So again I am checking there are 230 students have scored 36. So if I don't change it now, if I don't change with the name, by default it will show the first name, the wherever the first time the 36 appear, no, that adjacent name I will get, means I will get the name Abhijit. So to avoid that thing, means I will not get Bharat's name at any cost here. So I to be on safer side, I will make it 35 in this particular example. So my minimum marks is 35. The cell value, that is match function, the cell value should be 2. So I will check whether I am getting 2 or not. So I am looking for the position of 35 in this particular MC marks range, and I am looking for exact match, so 0. So my answer should be 2. Yes, in the second row in the range 35 is located. Now who is the second student in the list? Abhijit. So my formula equal to index. I'm looking for the name, student name who has scored 35 marks, that is less marks, is situated in second row. So Abhijit is my name. So I got Abhijit who has scored lesser marks in MC. So this is how you can answer this question using three different formulas.